This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mustang brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Next, safely lift your Mustang and secure it firmly on jack stands to prevent any movement. Once the vehicle is stable, remove the wheel to expose the brake caliper assembly. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient process for replacing your brake pads. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by unbolting the caliper guide pins, which will allow you to free the caliper. Gently remove the caliper from its mounting bracket, being careful not to put any stress on the brake line. Use a hanger or wire to support it. Finally, slide out the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. They should come out easily, making way for your new pads. With the old pads removed, it's time for installation. First, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Next, carefully install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit correctly and are oriented properly. Finally, reattach the caliper to the bracket and securely tighten the guide pins. To complete the job, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Mustang from the jack stands. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action helps to properly seat the new brake pads against the rotors. Finally, take your Mustang for a cautious test drive, listening for any unusual noises and ensuring the brakes are functioning correctly and safely. Enjoy your improved stopping power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.